up on the left side of the bed.
Yes,
clearly.
A little bit, kind of, sometimes.
Yeah.
No, I'm excited. There's so much happening on set today. K-Tricks.
Yo, tumeenda sana yani, tukaenda. Tumepata mzito amekuja.
Nimetokelezea.
Buda. By the way, it's been a minute.
It's been a minute, my guy. It's been a minute, man. This guy now since he's becoming a important man in Nini, us young guys like this guy is man. Congratulations, though. Just
Karibu kwenye Str8Up.
Asante sana.
Take it away.
I got this.
Yeah.
Big pin, yo.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to Str8Up Live.
Thank
you for your patience.
Thank you for having me.
You kind of teased us last weekend.
Yeah.
I know y'all saw it. You're like, hello. He's what here. Happened? It was a nice tease. # Nairobi Party.
Yes, sir.
Wow. You seem like you have a lot of background in the party scene. Please do tell.
Yes.
Fafanua.
Let me tell you.
I'm not just saying things, right?
Background in terms of what?
Like, a thing or two about the nightlife party.
Yeah. I'm actually extremely outgoing. For those people who really know me, they know I'm always out somewhere. It's like, you guys, you never stay at home. I thought you're a celebrity. You guys need to hide. I'm like,
staying at home.
It's like, yeah, why? But that's what.
Oh yeah, because you're a celeb, so you're not supposed to be seen everywhere.
Cause they look cool. But I'm thinking, I think I'm past that whole celeb thingy. I think for me, it's just let me go out, have fun, listen to music. I go out a lot. I go out to listen to music. Listen, someone playing. I'm like, I like this. I go watch performances. They do what. So I don't restrain myself.
Right.
And at the same time, I think it also opens up your mindset. If you want to record new stuff, you can't just be sitting at home. You'll end up thinking
you need to be relevant.
You need to be relevant. Yeah, you need to be seen. You need to hear what DJ K-Tricks is playing. What's the new ish, so that you can know when you're going to record. You need to relate on that.
Plays like the real deal.
the illest.
Yeah.
So exactly. So those are I'm extremely outgoing. I'll be out on a Wednesday, on a Thursday, on a Friday, on a Saturday,
on Sunday, on a vacation.
Yeah. By the way, we have a new plan.
That's the new plan.
Rafiki is kesho Sundays.
Oh, Sunday.
Yeah.
Kesho ni Sunday.
Yeah. Kesho tunaanza Sundays. Unapata?
Yes. So let's keep the show going. Big thing, you're hilarious. I love it. You go out, you sit in the party, you're watching. You're not just out like having fun. You're actually out working
as well as having fun
at the same time. Because people can misunderstand that.
Yeah.
But you have to let guys know you gotta balance.
You gotta balance both of them
and go out with a purpose.
Thank you very much.
So you go out, you see how the party scene is, and you're like, okay. Then you go to the studio
and try come up with something which can relate to what I normally do.
Have you made a track in the club? Because if you're there to get inspiration, has it happened where you're in the club and then you just get inspired? Like,
I've gotten so many. I actually wrote Big Pin in the club.
His name is Big Pin.
And I remember recording it in another phone. Those 3310s.
Yeah.
You saw that recorder for 15 seconds. Okay, not on that tip.
Yes.
So anyway,
I just have a bamba. So
anyway, so I recorded. I got the ideas like, you know how you get the tune and the melody.
Okay.
So that came from the club as well. Natafuta came from the club.
Wow.
Talk to you.
Came from the club.
They came from the club. You came from the club because I'm listening to sound. I'm like, okay. I'm those kind of people who get inspired when I'm out.
So you're just gonna be like giving us club hits.
No, but Talk to You wasn't a club hit.
Okay.
More of a radio hit. You wasn't a club hit.
Love songs.
Yeah, love songs, whatever.
But Nairobi Party is the club.
Yeah, that is definitely a club. Well, Nairobi Party came up with the idea of Nairobi Party because from December, and you notice like the song starts, it feels like it's December.
Diaspora.
There's always this thing for December. Guys call it the Deba. December is back, whatever. So there's always
party don't stop.
Exactly. So my December was that crazy. It was just, I was just thinking about, what? This December feel I need to write something about it because Nairobians honestly can party. We all know Nairobians really know how to party. Clubs are full on a Monday, on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, you name it.
Any day.
You can never cause us somewhere to go to.
That's really Kenyans for you though. Kenyans really know how to party.
Hii Nairobi Party ulikuwa klabu gani? Kwa sababu hauko klabu yangu. Au hapa tunacheza klabu yangu.
Unajuaje siku klabu yangu?
Hatuchezi.
Ilikuwa wapi? Hata siku Nairobi hata. I think ilikuwa Anyuki huko hata sijui ilikuwa wapi.
Anyuki. Wow.
So in fact, that's how I actually got the idea because I was thinking, okay, guys, Anyuki can party. But they're more restricted. It's more on a Friday, on a Saturday.
Oh.
And I think we have there over.
But Nairobians is like any day.
Yeah,
Monday,
so
Tuesday,
I think that's why Eddie actually hit me. He's like, "Hey, but Nairobi gets not a party." Like,
that's true.
Ain't no party like a Nairobi party.
Ain't no party like a Nairobi party.
So that's how the whole idea came up.
Let's play this hit, Nairobi Party. Of course, your handles, Big Pin Jatello.
Big Pin Jatello. Twitter is Big Pin Jatello. Instagram at Big Pin Jatello. Facebook at Big Pin Kenya. Snapchat at Big Pin Jatello. www.bigpinjatello.com.
Hey,
yes.
There you go. This is Nairobi Party, y'all. The hashtag is Team Straight Up. Let us know how you feel about this hit. And of course, ain't no party like a straight up party. Keep it locked. We are gonna see you guys next week. Same time, same place. But even before that, tomorrow night, turn it up. Rafikis.
Kapande.
Bam.
Mayazan.
Because
FOMO. Hey.
VIP table iko tayari. VIP table iko tayari.
Sawa, tutakaa kwa DJ booth sote.
Thank you. We love you guys. Make sure you check us out on social media. Check out City Walk, man. Dunga swag. Usiogope. But we love you so much for keeping it locked and keeping it Team Straight Up. Thank you, Big Pin. Next week, I don't know what's going to happen on the show, K-Trix.
Yeah, it's going to be crazy. That's all I know.
As usual. Nairobi Party.
Yes, sir.
It feels like it's December. No retreat, no surrender. It feels like it's December.
Main Switch production.
Ain't no party like a Nairobi party, cause a Nairobi party we don't bother nobody.